Welcome to another AgroLedger tutorial. Today we will walk you through how to report tag events such as tag activations, replacements, and retirements. You can find your Reports tab at the top of your screen. Your Reports dashboard is where you can create any required or voluntary reports. To report the installation of a new approved livestock tag on an animal who did not previously have one, click the Activate Tags button under the Tag Reports section on your Reports dashboard. Note that it is optional to report a tag activation, but it can be useful for managing your inventory of sheep in AgroLedger and can make subsequent required event reporting easier. Next, select Create Manually. Identify the animal by their previous identifier, the premises they reside on, and the CSIP number on the new tag. Click Submit to complete the tag activation report. To report the replacement of an approved livestock tag that was lost or broken, click the Replace Tags button under the Tag Reports section on your Reports dashboard. Note that it is mandatory to report the replacement of an official identifier within 7 days of application. However, it is not required to report the replacement of a non-CSIP management tag. Next, select Create Manually. Identify the animal, the premises of the tag replacement, and if relevant, the vehicle information. Finally, input the new identification details for the selected sheep. Click Submit to complete the report. To report the retirement of an approved livestock tag that was associated with an animal who has since died or been slaughtered, click the Retire Tags button under the Tag Reports section on your Reports dashboard. Note that it is mandatory to report the on-site disposal of sheep carcasses within 7 days of disposal, identifying them with an approved tag. Next, select Create Manually. Identify the animal by either choosing them from one of your premises or inputting their IDs manually. You can retire the tags of multiple sheep at once. Finally, select if the sheep have been disposed of or slaughtered, and include the associated premises. Click Submit to complete the report. Thanks for tuning in to another AgroLedger tutorial. Check out our YouTube channel for more how-to videos.